Abdul from Infidel IT Solutions. Today in this tutorial, I will cover how to make a custom view for different modules in Zoho CRM. So let's go to Zoho CRM. This is the Zoho CRM interface. So I want to create a custom view under deals module. Just click on the deals. Now you see there are many view created. They are created by me, created by public views, and most of the views are created by default. But if you think you want for some purposes need to filter out something to create a custom view, what you need to do, just click a new custom view. Yeah, I'm putting it as a test view. So now put the proper condition. I'm just putting city contains Rajsai. So the record or the leads that has the value Rajsai for city field, it will filter out those records only, and even you can drag and drop the number of record you want to show under this view. And this view should be created only for you, it should be for everyone, or it should be only for the selected user. If you think everyone, you can log this view. If you log this view, the record of this view cannot be deleted, cannot be changes, or cannot be modified. So we don't need logging this view. Just I am doing uncheck, just save it. And after saving, you see under test view there are 162 records available. Okay, so and here you can manage others columns. Okay, so likewise you can create the view for contact modules. Just if you want something to edit with this custom view, just hover over here and you will see a pencil icon. Just click on it and you can change it. Doesn't contain, let's say, let us check how many records without Rajsai. So 113 records available without containing the city name as Rajsai. So likewise, you can go to the contacts module. You can click here and now you can click custom view. Now you can give a name of the view. You can put the proper condition here and you can add as much condition as you need, and you can add the condition as and or condition to be applied. You can now drag and drop the necessary fields from the available column to the selected area, and you can share this view with any one of your organization or only for the respective selected users. So I think it will help you to determine the segment of the contact or leads for your business. I think it will help you a lot. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video.